Let's take a look at creating a basic assembly line model in Technomatic's plant simulation. First, let's add a source for our parts to enter our line. This source represents a warehouse or some supply to your factory assembly line. Then, let's add a couple of workstations. Then, let's add a couple of more workstations for a branching assembly process. Stations may also represent additional production capacity to meet demand or production rate as necessary. Next, let's add a drain to our process. This drain represents the completion of our manufacturing process and gives us the ability to track various statistics about our product and about our manufacturing process. Now let's connect up our stations and actually define the manufacturing process. By creating these connections, we are actually telling the software what path the material follows as it works through the assembly line. Now, let's enable the model to use workers. Before we do that, let's switch to a 2D view. Then we can space out our stations a little bit, and we can add our worker workplaces. This tells the workers what stations they can go to do their work. Notice that the workplace is automatically attached to the stations. Next, let's add a worker pool and a broker to our model. The worker pool is where the workers will come from before entering the workspace. The broker is the logic that controls which stations the workers go to and when. Now let's go ahead and run the simulation. Let's set it to real time and slow it down. Notice we can see the workers walk to their workstations and we can see the parts being worked on in each station.